Here's a puzzle for you. We're going to keep rolling the fair dice over and over. Player A wins if a sum of 12 comes up first. Player B wins if two sums of 7 appear in a row first. So, who has the better chance of winning? A sum of 12 or two consecutive 7, south? Let's think about this. A sum of 12 is pretty rare. You can only get it one way, a 6 and a 6. That's a 1 in 36 chance on any given roll. A sum of 7 is much more common. You can get it with a 1 in 6, 2 in 5, or 3 in 4, and vice versa. That's 6 ways. So a 6 in 36 chance, or 1 in 6. It seems like rolling a 7 is 6 times easier than rolling a 12. So, getting to 7 south in a row might seem like it should happen more often. But is that really true? To solve this, we can simplify the game into a few key states. Let's call our starting point state S. Nothing has happened yet. From here, if we roll a 12, player A wins immediately. This happens with a 1 in 36 probability. If we roll a 7, we move to a new state. Let's call it state 7. This means player B is one step closer to winning. That happens with a 6 in 36 probability. If we roll anything else, which has a 29 in 36 chance, nothing important happens. And we're back at the start, state S, waiting for a 12 or a 7. Now, what if we're in state 7, meaning the last roll was a 7? The next roll is crucial. If we roll another 7, player B wins. The probability of this is 6 in 36. But, if we roll a 12 from this state, player A wins instantly. The probability for that is 1 in 36. And if we roll anything else, which is a 29 in 36 chance, player B's streak is broken. And we go all the way back to our starting state S. So we have this constant back and forth. You either in the starting state, or you one roll away from a win for player B. That's about 54%. So, player A has the advantage. Even though rolling a 12 is rare, the condition for player B to win 2 7s south in a row is tricky. Every time a 7 is followed by something that isn't another 7 or a 12, the game essentially resets for player B, but player A is always just one roll away from victory. So the simpler condition wins out more often. If you're interested in the math and want to see the exact equations and a diagram of how these states work, I've linked a detailed solution video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more cool puzzles.